what are some of the innovations that were baked into this almost total redesign of the server product?
Yeah, well, let's take a walk through the numbers, right? So 97% less complexity. When we talk about SoCs that are maybe 5 to 10 or 11 watts, now I can cram 2,000 of those into a rack of servers where I used to only be able to fit about 40. So we had to think about the problem differently, not only how you manage the thing, but how you interconnect the thing. And so inside of our server division, we talk about converged infrastructure, and that's where we bring networking, storage, servers together, along with rich management interfaces to be able to couple a lot of servers together as a bigger system. So one of the things that I have here is one of the switches out of Project Moonshot. And so this actually goes directly into the same chassis as all of these SoCs, and this is a high density switch. So you used to have one of these in a rack, and now we can fit 18 of these in a rack, right? And so now we can bring all that cabling complexity out of the rack and down into a chassis where it's all interconnected immediately. When you think about less energy and space, this is about the size of my face, and this is 4 independent servers on one card, right? So I can fit 1,800 servers in a rack. And so all of these cabled together, or we don't have cables anymore, actually, they go directly to switches, a lot less space. And then each of these devices on here are running anywhere from 5 to 12 watts, depending on the processor vendor that I'm choosing. So now you can see that we've dramatically reduced the energy. Now, at the same time, these aren't necessarily targeted at every particular solution out there. And so we're looking at specific usage models and specific solutions for these different cartridges.